So this is a video for capturing a whistling noise that's coming from my Honda City 2014 ivtec. So what happens is when the blue indicator is on, that one right there, so when the cold temperature indicator is on, there's a whistling noise coming from inside the engine bay. Not sure if it's from the AC or if it's from the engine itself. So I have the engine bay open. So let's just see how this sounds. So park. So I'm not sure if you can hear it from inside, but sure you can hear it from here. So the AC was off. This is a CVT, so it was in park, and the cold sign has gone. So now the whistling sound is no longer there. I suspect it's from the alternator. It's still intermittently present. I can hear it in here. I'm not sure if it's coming in the video. Would like some inputs if anyone knows what this issue can be. So I guess that's about it. I'm gonna show it to Honda pretty soon. Just wanted to get an idea of what's causing this. It wasn't there since till last week, and it's just started all of a sudden. So hope you guys know what it is. Thanks.